The process for submitting expenses to Expensify via text message is incredibly simple and efficient. This method is particularly useful for those smaller, on-the-go cash purchases where you don't receive an immediate digital receipt. To start, you need to ensure your mobile phone number is linked to your Expensify account. You can verify this in your account settings under the SMS section. Once confirmed, you're ready to submit an expense. When you make a cash purchase, simply take a picture of the receipt with your phone. The picture should be clear, well lit, and include the vendor name, the total amount, and the date of the transaction. Next, open your messaging app and send the picture to Expensify's designated text message number. This number is typically a short code, and you can find the correct number for your region in your Expensify settings. In the body of the text message, you will need to enter the expense details. The structure is straightforward. Start with the dollar amount, followed by the vendor name. For example, a text might look like this: $15.50 coffee shop. You can also include an optional note or purpose for the expense after the vendor name. Expensify's SmartScan technology will automatically read the picture of the receipt to verify the details. It matches the amount you texted with the amount on the receipt image, and it pulls the date and vendor information directly from the picture. After a few moments, you will receive a confirmation text message from Expensify, letting you know the expense has been successfully submitted and a new report entry has been created. The expense will now appear in your Expensify account, ready for coding, categorization, and final report submission. It's a quick, paperless, and hands-free way to keep your expense reports up to date in real time.